guys, as you know, Christmas is around the corner, and on our channel here today, Molly and I are going to be bringing you a fruitcake recipe, a fruitcake different from the one that we have up already, and this one is going to be very good, I promise you that. It's real nice and Molly here again, my friends, and for this recipe we have some fruits there. We have some raisins that we have soaked for about 2 hours and drained, and to that we've added some candied fruits to that. We have some flour, eggs, and some nuts in the plate there. We have some cashew, almond, and pistachio nuts that we've chopped. Some margarine. We also have some nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder, baking powder, brown sugar, and the zest of lemon and orange. And that's it gonna be for our superb fruit cake. So let's get started. So first we're gonna add our butter here. So you just want to mix this margarine for about a minute by itself, softening it. Next we're going to add our eggs. So next we're going to add the sugar. Lemon zest. Orange zest. Give that a mix again. So now we're going to add the cinnamon, nutmeg, and the baking powder. So next we're going to add the chopped nuts here, guys. Give that another mix. So the next thing we're going to do here is work the flour in a little bit at a time, as you would usually do. next thing all our flour is mixed in here, guys. And the next thing we're gonna add is our cherries and mix those in. So fruit cake and black cake is a must for Christmas, guys. And you're gonna love this one. You just want to get everything incorporated nicely here. So that's about it, guys. Almost baking time. So we're gonna grease our pan here and add our cake mixture. Okay guys, so we're gonna set this into the oven now, and we're gonna show you what the end product is once we get back. See you then. Okay guys, so our cake is done and here it is. Looking delish. Okay guys, let's see what our cake. There you go. And look at that, beautiful. Okay guys, so we've let our cake cool off and we're gonna cut it now. And look at that. Look how pretty that is. So that's it there guys, our fruit cake. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.